Isolate, natural log it, simplify, solve. 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 I'm gonna do that right here, right here, right here, right here. So that's what we're gonna do right here. So we're gonna isolate it, we're gonna simplify, natural log it, then we're gonna simplify everything down, and then we're gonna we're gonna solve it out. So here we're going to start off with seeing what is our exponential function. Isolating that, getting it by itself. And we know here, anything to the x power is your exponential function. So that right there, that is already our exponential function. So is that already isolated? Let me write this down first. Function. It looks so nasty. Sorry guys, my bad. Alright, so exponential function there. Alright, so it's already done. So that thing's already isolated. We're already done. It's already by itself. Alright, so the second step said to do what? Isolate, natural log it. Isolate, natural log it. So we're going to natural log it. Both sides. Put natural log on both sides. And again, that x is an exponent, so don't do anything with that. Just keep it. Alright, and resist the urge at this point to put natural log 15 in the calculator and get a decimal. Stop it. Don't do that. We don't put anything to the calculator until we get to the end because it's going to change your answer. And if you change your answer, that means your final answer is going to be wrong because it's not going to be the accurate number that we need. So we isolate, natural logged it. Now we simplify it. So here, step 3 is simplifying it. And we said either we're going to use the power rule or we're going to go ahead and do the natural log into e. And for this problem, do you see e at all in that problem at all? No, you don't see e at all in there. So you don't use natural log in e, so it means you have to use our power rule. Power rule. Power rule. So that means we're going to take the exponent and we're going to move it to the very, very front. So we have x natural log 4 equals natural log 15. So we move the x in front, x natural log 4, and then natural log 15. All right, and then our last thing here, very last step. Ooh, not 5, step 4, step 4. So we isolated, natural logged it, simplified it. Last thing is solve. So here, we're going to go ahead and solve this out. So we need to get x by itself. And that is x times natural log 4. So we know we need to do the opposite of multiplication to get the natural log 4 to the other side and get x by itself. So it's going to divide both sides by natural log 4 here. And this is all the solve part. And so here we have x equals natural log 15 divided by natural log 4. And we're going to put that in the calculator and get a decimal answer. And again, we're going to round it to 3 decimal places. And it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be good enough. So we're going to do, again, alpha y equals, and get the fraction bar. Alpha y equals, we do natural log 15, close the parenthesis, and then natural log 4 on the bottom of that fraction. So natural log 15 on top, natural log 4 on the bottom. And it should close off the parenthesis on both the 15 and the 4. And then we hit enter. You should get about 1.953 because the number behind the 3 is a 4 and that is not bigger than 5, so we don't move it up. So that is just 1.953. And that's it. That's where we stop. So we again isolate, natural log it, simplify, solve. Isolate, natural log it, simplify, solve. Isolate, natural log it, simplify, solve. So that's what we just did there. So now we're going to go to a practice on a separate sheet of paper that you're going to do those rules on it. And if you need to sing that or do that in your head or hum it in your head or do something, do that so we can solve it out. All right. See ya.